Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk. I'm your host Imran Khan. I have with me somebody very interesting today and very different from my earlier interviews because the person I have is a very young man causing a lot of sensation in the political arena in Telangana. Now his family has a history in politics. His father has been a seasoned politician. However, this person today, who I'm going to introduce now, has a huge following in the youth. Like, it's actually crazy. I mean, you've probably seen the footage. So, I'd like to welcome Rohit MYNAMPALLY. Rohit, welcome to my show.
Hi Imran, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. तो सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि मैं उर्दू में इसलिए बात कर रहा हूँ because I've realized you're really good in all languages that you speak. English, Telugu, Urdu जो भी. तो सबसे पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि who is Rohit? आप personal, I mean, other than the political lineage that you have, who is Rohit?
मैं एक मामूली आम आदमी हूँ जो आम इंसानियत के लिए और आम आदमी के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ, खिदमत कर रहा हूँ, खिदमत करना चाहता हूँ और खिदमत करते रहूँगा. तो basically I was always into service and I like doing service. It's always a great thing to be a part of various activities which are being taken up by our MYNAMPALLY social service organization. From 1997, we have been doing good amount of social service organization, social service activities from MYNAMPALLY social service organization, and we'll continue to do it.
So tell me about you. What is your background? What is you studied? What's your profession?
So basically, I'm a doctor. So I've finished my MBBS from Medicity Institute of Medical Sciences, and yeah. So as you know, politics in a small scale is medicine, and medicine in a large scale is politics. So I keep telling this to everyone. So I learned a lot from medicine, and I'd like to use that all for my people and my public.
But how come you didn't get into the business aspect of that? I mean, you could have set up a hospital, made a lot of money.
No, as you said, definitely establishing a hospital and earning. I would have earned a good lot of money from hospitals, but it's not always about money. Sometimes and all the time for me, it's about happiness and that self-satisfaction. So I always did things for my self-satisfaction and happiness. So I'll continue to do that. And I'll continue to do as much as service possible for my people.
So you're saying business opportunities रहेंगे, वो करते रहेंगे?
And I definitely see business is there, but business जिधर करना है उधर करेंगे. और definitely वो business में जो पैसा कमा रहा है लेके आके फिर आवाम के लिए खर्च करेंगे और आवाम का खिदमत में रहेंगे. और and definitely as I told you that ये खुदा का करम है और वो हमारे से खिदमत ले रहा है और हम खिदमत कर सक रहे हैं. अभी खिदमत करने के लिए भी खुदा का करम रहना पड़ता है, as you know, मन भाई. तो definitely so I do things for my self satisfaction, happiness, my happiness as well as the happiness of the people. Yeah.
Tell me something. आपका even though I think I understand, but maybe you can clarify. So is this your ideology? कि आपकी ideology कुछ और है, service है और service?
Definitely. See, as I told you, during the time of Corona, when people were scared to come out, because Corona was new,
right,
and people didn't know what Corona was, and
really scared to
scared, and there was a lot of hype,
right,
false hype about Corona. So that time also we did not step back. We went into the public, for the public, with the public. तो हम कभी भी पब्लिक को खिदमत करते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे और हम कभी भी कितने भी बड़े रहने दो, let it be anything, let it be corona or any bigger virus, we are not going to step back. We are always going to be with the public, for the public and in their service.
You're saying कि जब कोरोना जैसा इनिशियल फेज में जब कोई निकलने से डर रहा था, उस वक्त जब करे तो आगे तो फिर करते ही
हाँ
रहते, मतलब कौन सी बड़ी बात?
that's what I'm trying to tell you. कोरोना इतना बड़ा था, so it's taking your lives. तभी हम नहीं डरे, और किसको डरेंगे? So we are always there for the public. They can come anytime. And as I told you, it's not only about, definitely Medak and Malkajgiri are like my two eyes. But not only Medak and Malkajgiri. Let it be from any part of the two states, to that matter, any part of the country. That's not the matter. We are always there for the public. MYNAMPALLY Social Service Organization will be there for them. And उनके लिए काम करते हुए हम आगे बढ़ेंगे.
But wouldn't you agree that Malkajgiri and Medak are special for you? I mean,
No, definitely.
And why is that?
Yeah, let me explain. Definitely, Medak and Malkajgiri are special to us because they're giving us boost to do more service for the public. आपको मालूम है मेदक 2 बार हमारा वालिद साहब को जिताए और मलकाजगिरी एक बार, और he was an MLC also once. तो मेदक और मलकाजगिरी, they're encouraging us to do more service for the public. So that's the reason Medak and Malkajgiri are special. और मेदक और मलकाजगिरी, और to that point हमारा पूरा आवाम के लिए आधी रात को भी चौरस्ता में ठहरने के लिए रेडी है और रेडी रहेंगे. यही नहीं, उनके लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार है.
तो you're saying सर्विस के लिए रोहित हमेशा तैयार है.
सर्विस के लिए तैयार है, उसके साथ हमारा आवाम के लिए हम वी आर अवेलेबल 24 hours, 7 days a week and 365 days in a year. We are ready for the public and we will be there for the public.
Okay. ये बोलिए कि tell me something about the services that under your organization.
Yeah, as I told you, Imran bhai, so we have been doing various services from 1997 through our social service organization, which is called MYNAMPALLY Social Service Organization. In Telugu, it's called MYNAMPALLY Seva Samiti. So we have done various activities during Corona. Not only Corona, but let be anything. If there is a problem, we are there. And we are the solution.
Your father was known by a certain title, I think.
Yes, correct. So basically, he was called as a waterman because he has drilled around 4,000 to 5,000 bores in Medak when there was like severe water scarcity in 2007, 8, 9, but let be 3, 4, 5. So in that time, let me explain, 99.9% of bores which were drilled by the government failed. But 99.9% of the bores which we drilled, which was drilled by my father and MYNAMPALLY Social Service Organization, 99.9% were successful. So that's what I told you before. खुदा अपन खिदमत करने के लिए भी खुदा का करम रहना चाहिए. तो खुदा का करम हमारे पास, we had it always, and we are very, very, very much thankful to God for that.
So it's the love of the people for all the service that he has done.
Definitely. Without the love of the people and without the, without God's instructions and God's blessings, I don't think we can do anything.
Okay, one thing I want to ask, I mean, we are heading to Medak right now, and you have this huge entourage. There is all these young people following you. ये क्या है, special क्या है? What is this thing that all these young people are? They look up to you, so crazy about you. है क्या है?
Let me tell you something, Imran bhai, that you should ask them. अब मेरे को पूछे तो मैं कैसा बोलूँगा? मैं तो एक मामूली मैं तो एक मामूली आम आदमी हूँ जो आम इंसानियत के लिए काम करना चाहता हूँ. As I told you, काम करते रहूँगा और उनके साथ मैं 24/7 ठहर के रहूँगा.
शायद वही है, क्योंकि आप इतना उनको टाइम देते हो. एक मैंने देखा आप हर एक बंदे को उसके नाम से जानते हो. You remember their names. You are in direct contact with everyone.
So basically, Imran bhai, without hard work, nothing is possible. And I've been, in service, working hard with the people from past like 10, 12 years. You can't even imagine. So it's been a lot of stress and hard work being there for the public. And definitely, as I told you, kabhi bhi, we are ready and available for the public 24/7.
एक सवाल मैं आपको पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि women empowerment and women, how important is that in your organization? What are you doing about it?
Yeah, very good question, Imran bhai. So let me tell you what my organization has done for women empowerment. So basically, what my idea and thoughts were to establish a team where they can go to some schools, colleges, and train and tune young women psychologically to face any kind of problems. In today's date, they should be able to face any kind of problems. So that was my main aim and motto. And along with that, very recently, we have taken up a girls' school in Medak.
Okay.
So I'll show you some after and before videos. So when you see the before videos, they didn't even have toilets for the young girls who are studying in that school, and no proper facilities. So we have taken up that school, adopted that school, and fine-tuned it in such a way that we have given them computer labs, water plant which is giving out 500 liters per hour, and along with that some beautiful toilets, and beautiful and comfortable toilets for the girls, and a smart classroom, and definitely the renovation of the entire school. Let be painting or the civil work, that is there anyways. So along with that, we have given them some extra facilities, like as I told you, computer labs, smart classroom, so that they understand the world better. So my aim is to make the rural part of Medak like a city,
Right.
because all the enjoyment and everything is there in the city. But I want to show the same feel and same enjoyment to my public and my people from different rural parts of Medak constituency.
So there's no need for them to move to cities if you're
Yeah, I
giving
want
all-
to get the city to them
Okay.
at their convenience.
Right.
So as I told you, we are taking up one school from each mandal
Okay.
and spending around 50-60 lakhs or maybe like 45-50 lakhs. I don't like. I'll tell you the exact figures later because I want to be precise about
Right.
figures. So we are spending good amount of money, giving them best facilities, and we will continue to do much better and more better activities in future.
Nice, interesting. Okay, there's another thing I'd like to know. You have quite a good following. I mean, not just among the young people. मैं देख रहा हूँ public में काफ़ी अच्छा following है आपका. तो don't you think? Obviously, I have got it. You made it very very clear. आपको service, social service करना है. आप उसी के लिए जी रहे हैं. वही करेंगे. मरते दम तक करेंगे. We've got that. Now, but I think, don't you think you should utilize this in the political way, like get in the political field, or at least that's how people are reading it. I think. What do you have to
Yeah,
say?
it's a practical question. So let me answer it in my way, Imran bhai. So see, what I'm trying to tell you is, in politics, to win, you have many other ways. रात में आके खर्चा कर दूंगा, एक दिन में जीत जाऊंगा. वो कैपेसिटी भी है मेरे पास. मगर that's not what I want. I want to see, as I told you, I want to see happiness in the faces of my people, as well as it should be self-satisfactory for me. So, as of now, I'm only doing service for the happiness of people, and I will continue to do service for the happiness of people in future.
Fair enough. So you're saying, do I read that as, is it open? Are you open to?
Definitely, इमरान भाई, why not? जब अवाम का मदद है और अवाम मेरे लिए देख रहा है, उनको सर्विस और ज्यादा करने के लिए, why not? Time will speak. Definitely, time will speak. So I don't want to speak more about it now. So I only want to focus and concentrate on service as of now, and do as much as service I can do, and as better service I can do. So I'm always focused on service for now. So if you have any good suggestions and ideas, you please give me. We'll see that it's executed for the benefit and the good of people, betterment of people.
So you're saying you're open to the idea of at some point.
Definitely. Why not, इमरान भाई? जब अवाम का मदद है और अवाम अपने को invite कर रहा है to do better service and to do to give that betterment in the service. Why not? So time will speak.
Right.
Time will speak, and definitely, we'll continue to do the best service for my public.
So it's wait and watch. Lastly, आखिरी बात मैं पूछना चाहूँगा, आपको आवाम के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? Any message that you want to give?
आज हमारा क्रिश्चियन भाई और बहनों का गुड फ्राइडे है, और I also want to convey belated Hanuman Jayanti wishes for my Hindu brothers and sisters, and also my तहे दिल से रमज़ान मुबारक बात हमारा मुसलमान भाई और बहनों के लिए पेश करता हूँ. हम ऐसे ही सर्विस करते हुए पब्लिक के लिए आगे बढ़ेंगे.
Thank you so much. Has been great talking to you. Hopefully, we'll be seeing a lot more of you in doing your social work. Also, maybe in the political arena. Hope so. All the best to you. Thank you for being on my show.
Thank you very much, Imran bhai. It was a great pleasure, and had a good time talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So here's me, Imran Khan, signing off. Until next time. Take care.